Svizona Industrial Solutions welcomes you to the future of UAE industry, where we align strategic infrastructure with UAE Vision 2050 through the Philips CoreLine Highbay Gen5. The UAE Vision 2050 is more than a roadmap. It is an industrial directive for sustainability and innovation, making every asset in your portfolio a critical leverage point for decarbonization. Currently, legacy lighting acts as a silent drain on operational efficiency, inflating OPEX through excessive energy burn and creating a maintenance drag that disrupts your production. The bridge to modernizing is the Philips CoreLine Highbay Gen5, a high-impact lever that transforms lighting from a utility cost into a strategic asset. This modernization requires zero operational disruption, utilizing a plug-and-play architecture designed for rapid retrofitting without halting logistics or production flows. We are moving beyond static hardware. These units are interact-ready, preparing your infrastructure for the smart city revolution with scalable IoT and data-driven insights. This solution provides a unified standard across your entire portfolio, from industry and logistics to commerce and public travel hubs. You are supported by the global leadership of Signify, ensuring reliability, a comprehensive support ecosystem, and a heritage of industrial innovation. By adopting this technology, you achieve a dual impact, driving operational excellence for profit while fulfilling your strategic vision for the planet and net zero alignment. The technology to meet 2050 targets exists today. The gap is only implementation, which begins with auditing consumption and identifying pilot sites for immediate ROI. Together, let us light the way to 2050 with Svizona Industrial Solutions. Please contact us today for partnering with us.